The question is, make the greatest and the smallest four-digit numbers using any four different digits with condition as given. The first condition is digit 7 is always at ones place. Now, if you would notice, we have no digits given in the question, right? Like which digit we have to use, but it says using any four different digits. Any four different digits. That means that we have we all know that we have 10 digits, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits which we use to make any number. So in this question it says that digit 7 is always at ones place and we have to form the four digit numbers. That means there would be four places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. The condition says that digit 7 is always at ones place, so we'll write here 7. In any such question where you have to make a smallest or the greatest number and the greatest number and or the greatest number, and one particular digit is fixed for one for a given place, then just simply forget this position and forget that digit given here. You have to proceed in the same normal way as we have done earlier. So first see for the greatest number. You'll understand right now. Greatest. Among these different digits except 7, we cannot use this anymore and therefore forget it. Which is the greatest number? Greatest digit from 0 to 9? Of course 9. So I'll write 9 here. Which is the next greatest digit? Of course 8. I'll write 8 here. Which is the next greatest digit after 8? 7. But we cannot use 7 as 7 has been fixed for the ones place. So we cannot take this. Which is the next greatest number after 7? 6. So we'll use this. 6. 6 at the tens place and 7 at the ones place. It is fixed here. Therefore the number is 9, 8, 6 and 7. Now let's see for the smallest number. Same approach. Among 0 to 9, which is the smallest digit? Of course 0. But we all know that we cannot use 0 at the beginning. We cannot start our number by 0. Therefore, we'll look for the next smallest digit, and that is 1. So I'll write 1 here. Then I'll write 0 here. So 1 is used, 0 is used. Which is the next smallest digit? Of course 2. So here comes 2. And we have 7 from here. That is fixed. So the number is 1027. Let's take some more example. Form greatest and the smallest four digit numbers using any four different digits with condition as given. Digit 4 is always at the tens place. So I'll write first all the digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 4 is always at the tens place. So this is fixed. Now forget this digit. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and first we'll look for the greatest number. By the way, 4 is fixed for the tens place, so this is 4, and therefore forget this. Greatest. Which is the greatest digit among 0 to 9? Of course, 9. Then comes 8. So 8. 4 is already fixed, we cannot change it. Next, which is the next one? After 8, 7. Like 7. So number is 9847. Now look for the smallest number. You would be wondering why I didn't take 3 here, because this was at the tens place we have 4. So I mean, in the previous videos we would always go in, if it was greatest number, we would always go in descending order. That's why I say that it's a trick that when a particular digit is fixed for a place, just forget it, leave that, okay, and look for, you know, the similar approach we followed in the previous videos, or the method is that we have to form the greatest number or the smallest number, so the digits should be according to that, and therefore this approach is taken. In the smallest number, obviously our number should start with the smallest digit, and the smallest digit is 0, but we cannot start a number by 0, so 0 is fixed for this place. We'll start by 1. 1 is here. Then 4 is fixed for this place because it at the tens place 4 is fixed. 0 is used, 1 is used. Which is the next smallest digit? Of course 2. So 2 is used here, and the number is 104 and 2. Few more examples. Here it's digit 9 is always at the hundreds place. Digit 9 is always at the hundreds place. So first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then comes ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and digit 9 is always at the hundreds place, so this is fixed and forget this. Let's look for the greatest number. Now, since 9 is always at the hundreds place and we cannot use it at the thousands place now, it's fixed, and therefore ignore it, forget it. Look for the next greatest number digit. Next greatest digit is 8. So write it here, 8. You'll get the 9 here because it was fixed. Which is the next greatest digit? 7. So we'll write 7 here. Next greatest digit? 6. We'll write 6 here. So the number is 8, 9, 7 and 6. Now the smallest one. Okay. Again, we cannot take 0. We'll start by 1. Then we'll come. Okay. So at the hundreds place, we cannot use 0. The reason is 9 is already been set there. So we'll write 9 here. Now we can use 0 here. And the next smallest digit would be 2. Therefore, 1902 is the smallest number possible under this condition. Last example. Digit 1 is always at the thousands place. So first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 4 different digits. So these were all the digits possible. 1 is always at the thousands place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. And 1 is always at the thousands place. 1 is always at the, this 1 is always at the thousands place, therefore just forget this, ignore it. Greatest. One will be here because it's fixed. Okay, now we have to form the greatest number, therefore we'll look for the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit among these digits? Of course 9. So write 9 here. Which is the next one? Of course 8. Which is the next one? Of course 7. So the number is 1, 9, 8 and 7. Now let's see for the smallest one. Again 1 is fixed here. Okay, so 1 is fixed here and 1 has been used. Now we can use 0. Now we can use 0. We got 0. Which is the next smallest? Sorry, which is the next greatest? It is 2. And then comes the number 3. So 1, 0, 2, 3 is the smallest number. Hope the concept is clear now.